Good morning, children. Welcome to our word perfect spelling class. Today we will do page number 5. Let's start. Children, do you know in English alphabet we have 26 letters? Let's have a look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We observe that all the letters are in a particular the order that is known as alphabetical order or ABC order. So children, in today's class we will learn to arrange words in alphabetical order. Look at this list of words. This list is not in alphabetical order. To arrange this list in alphabetical order, we look at the first letter of each word. In alphabetical order, the first letter comes letter A. So, we will see the word that begins with the letter A, that is apple, will come first. In alphabetical order, after A, letter B comes. The word that begins with letter B, that is bird, will come next. After letter B, letter C comes. So, the word that begins with letter C, clock, will come next. After letter C, letter D comes. So, the word that begins with the letter D, that is dex, will come next. After letter D, letter E comes. So, the word that begins with letter E, that is 8, will come next. After letter E, letter F comes. So, the word that begins with letter F, that is football, will come next. After letter F, letter G comes. So, the word that begins with letter G, that is goat, will come next. After letter G, letter H comes. So, the word that begins with letter H, that is horse, will come next. After letter H, letter I comes. So, the word that begins with letter I, that is ink, will come next. After letter I, letter J comes. So, the word that begins with letter J, that is jug, will come next. After letter J, letter K comes. So, the word that begins with letter K, that is kitten, will come next. After letter K, letter L comes. So, the word that begins with letter L, that is letter, will come next. After letter L, letter M comes. So, the word that begins with letter M, that is mice, will come next. After letter M, letter N comes. So, the word that begins with letter N is 9, will come next. After letter N, letter O comes. So the word that begins with letter O is one will come next. After letter O, letter P comes. So the word that begins with letter P is postman will come next. After letter P, letter Q comes. So the word that begins with letter Q is queen will come next. After letter Q, letter R comes. So the word that begins with letter R is road will come next. After letter R, letter S comes. So the word that begins with letter S is stool will come next. After letter S, letter T comes. So the word that begins with letter T is table will come next. After letter T, letter U comes. So the word that begins with letter U is umbrella will come next. After letter U, letter V comes. So the word that begins with letter V is west will come next. After letter V, letter W comes. So the word that begins with letter W is wood will come next. So children, did you see how we have arranged these words into alphabetical order? You will write down these words into alphabetical order from number 1 to number 23 in your spelling copy. Now it's time for your homework. Page number 4, there are some opposite words from question 1 to 16. You will find out the correct opposite words and then you will write down in your spelling copy. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.